This video I'm about to show you guys how to create Pancakeswap account. So let's get start the video. So first of all, open up your Google Chrome and search for metamask.aio. And the second step was that here you can see the metamask option. Just simply tap on the download now option, and now you have to tap on choose Chrome, and now tap on install metamask for Chrome, and now you have to select add to Chrome, and here you can see the add extension option. Just simply tap on it and enter your metamask name and then tap on create, and here you can see the select crypto network. Just simply tap on it, and now here you can see the drop down menus appear. So in the bottom you can see the custom RPC. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to tap the same information and then tap on the save option in the bottom of the corner. And here you can see now you have to go Pancakeswap page and tap on the connect wallet option, and now you have to choose metamask, and here you can see the next option. Just simply tap on it, and now it will automatically detect your metamask network. Just simply tap on next, so your pancake account has been created. So that's it. See you in the next video very soon. Peace.